In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Stripe. If you're using Stripe to manage your business transactions, withdrawing funds is a straightforward process. And today, I'll guide you through each step to make it even easier. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Stripe account and heading over to your dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. This is typically located on the lower left side of the screen, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Click on Settings, and from there, you'll want to select the Business option under Account Settings. Now that you're in the business settings, it's important to ensure that your payment card is linked. If you haven't already added your card, it's essential to do this first. Linking a card is crucial because it facilitates the transfer of funds, allowing you to have your money deposited into your chosen account. So take a moment to double check that your card information is properly added to avoid any hitches down the line. Once you've confirmed that your card is linked, it's time to move on to the next step. You'll want to navigate to the Bank Accounts and Currencies section. This area is where you'll manage how and when you receive your payouts from Stripe. It's also where you'll add any additional bank accounts if necessary, and select your preferred currency for transactions. Now, regarding your payout schedule, Stripe offers flexible options to suit your business needs. You have the choice to set your withdrawals either manually or automatically. If you opt for automation, you can choose from various frequencies, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on what best aligns with your cash flow requirements. Automatic scheduling can be especially helpful for maintaining consistency in your financial planning, while a manual schedule provides more control if your cash flow varies. Take a moment to think about which option aligns best with your current needs and set that up accordingly. Once you've configured your withdrawal schedule to your liking, don't forget the final and crucial step, which is to save your settings. This ensures that all the changes you made are applied, and your funds will be dispersed according to your preferences. It's a quick final click, but an important one to wrap up the process. And there you have it, a seamless guide to withdrawing your funds from Stripe. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher or any additional tips. And don't hesitate to explore other settings within Stripe that might benefit your business operations. Your mastery of these basic functions can make managing your business finances a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy withdrawing.